I believe in you. It's powerful when your partner says that, isn't it? It's not about believing you exist, it's about believing in your strength, your value, and your ability to thrive. Those words mean, I see the best in you, and I trust you have what it takes. That kind of belief feels incredible in a relationship. It builds trust, closeness, and makes love feel safe. But here's the truth. You don't have to wait for your partner to give you that gift. You can create it yourself, and the secret is one simple practice that rewires your brain for love and happiness. And that secret is gratitude. Gratitude shifts your mindset and your mood. It makes your connection with your partner stronger, and over time, it literally reshapes the way your brain experiences love. Instead of getting stuck on what your partner isn't doing, like the dishes they didn't put away, or the text they forgot to send, or even the little annoyances that pile up, gratitude changes the focus. It brings your attention back to what really matters. Sometimes in life, it can be easy to slip into negativity, especially when you feel like your needs aren't always being met. But gratitude acts like a reset button. It opens your eyes to the small things that are easy to overlook. Your partner making you coffee, the way they laugh at your jokes, the comfort of just having someone by your side. Research shows gratitude isn't just emotional fluff. It lowers stress, boosts your health, and makes you literally glow from the inside out. And that glow, it spills into your relationship and makes your connection warmer, lighter, and more magnetic. So here's my challenge to you. Take 30 seconds today to shift your mindset. Instead of thinking about what your partner could be doing differently, think about what you already have, the love you can give, and the gratitude you can feel right now. Because when you focus on appreciation, you don't just change how you feel, you change how your relationship feels. And let me leave you with this. I believe in you. I believe in your ability to choose gratitude over negativity, to bring out the best in your partner, and to create a love that doesn't just survive, but thrives. If this was helpful to you, please take a moment to like and subscribe. I know it seems small, but it really helps me out. Also, you can find the link in the description which references my full article on this topic.